Under the Benazir Income Support Program, the process of distribution of assistance money is going on among deserving women in Pakpattan. Abbas Ali Arfi has more. Let's take a look.
Under the Benazir Income Support Program, the process of distribution of assistance money is going on among 8,064 deserving women of district Pakpattan. The deserving women are being given 3 months of assistance money from April to June at the rate of 10,500 rupee per person. 9 campuses have been established by Benazir Income Support Program throughout the district for the distribution of money among the deserving women. Monitoring is also done to make the process of money distribution transparent at the centers set up for the distribution of relief money.
On instructions of federal government, we established 9 campsites in Pakpattan for disbursement of BISP unconditional transfer. On daily basis, I am visiting all campsites and redressal the grievances of the beneficiaries on spot.
The centers set up for the distribution of relief money have been provided with excellent security arrangements for women to sit and drink cold water. Benazir Income Support Program is a great step by the government of Pakistan for deserving women. This is Abbas Ali Arfi reporting for PTV World, District Pakpattan.